Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, Professor Anand Giratkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. In this session, today we will learn Unit 2, Theodolite Surveying, and topic is 2.3. In this topic, or in previous topic, we learn technical terms used in transit theodolite, that are swinging, transiting, face left, face right, face normal, etc. Okay. In this topic, we learn and map the CO. Means after completion of this video lecture, student will be able to prepare plans using theodolite surveying. LO describe the silent feature and the relationship between the given fundamental axes. And PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 10 POs are mapped. Now, fundamental axes of transit theodolite. Dear student, in last year we already discussed the fundamental axes of dumpy level. Only two axes are more as compared to dumpy level. In dumpy level, we already discussed the vertical axis, line of sight, axis of bubble tube and axis of optical center to crosshairs or eyepiece is known as axis of telescope. So last year we studied the four axes, but in theodolite two axes are more, means there is the vertical axis. Vertical axis means from center of the telescope and it passes through the ground by eye peg. Okay, so that is the vertical axis, and about vertical axis, the rotation in this way is known as the swinging. If it is clockwise, then it is clockwise swinging. If it is anti-clockwise, then that is the anti-clockwise swinging, and it is in the horizontal plane. See this horizontal plane. So swinging is the process of turning the telescope through 360 degree or 180 degree in horizontal plane about vertical axis. Okay. Then second is the horizontal axis. This is the vertical axis and this is the horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is also known as Trunnion axis. Okay. So horizontal axis is रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ट्रांजिटिंग. ट्रांजिटिंग मतलब ये जो आईपीस है, ये आईपीस यहां से ये साइड में लाने का और इसको घुमा के इधर करने का. ओके. ऑब्जेक्ट ग्लास फिर नीचे से इधर चला जाएगा. तो इस टाइप का जो रोटेशन होता है ऑब्जेक्ट ग्लास का या टेलीस्कोप का, उसको बोलते हैं ट्रांजिटिंग. ओके. तो ट्रांजिटिंग इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ Trunnion axis or horizontal axis. So this process is about the horizontal axis in vertical plane. In vertical plane. Okay. And second is the altitude axis of. So axes are vertical axis, horizontal axis, and this is the axis of bubble tube. You already know the axis of bubble tube. It is the horizontal सर्कल प्लेट के ऊपर अगर कोई बबल है या लेवल ट्यूब है तो उसको बोलते हैं एक्सिस ऑफ बबल ट्यूब. ओके. एंड दिस इज द वर्टिकल सर्कल. वर्टिकल सर्कल के बाजू में जो बबल ट्यूब होता है उसको बोलते हैं अल्टीट्यूड बबल. ओके. बोथ आर ओके. देन एक्सिस लाइन ऑफ साइट, ये तो आपको मालूम है, इट इज द line joining the center of the crosshair to the center of the object glass, and its continuation is the line of sight. And if the center of the object glass and center of the optical center is known as the axis of telescope. So we discuss about the fundamental axes. So first is the vertical axis. Already we discussed. This is the vertical axis. It is passes from center of the optical center a telescope and passes through the ground from peg. So it is the axis passing through center of peg, fixing on transitation point to its top. Swinging process can be done about vertical axis. Remember that. Then horizontal or Trunnion axis. This is the horizontal or Trunnion axis. है ना? The axis about which telescope can be rotated in a vertical plane. In a vertical plane. Then transiting is done with in about horizontal axis. Okay. Then axis of telescope. This is the axis of telescope. यहाँ से यहाँ तक center of the crosshair to the center of the optical center. So it is the line joining the center of the eyepiece to the optical center of the object glass. Next is the line of collimation or line of sight. ये already आपको मालूम है. It is the line joining the center of the eyepiece to the optical center of the object glass and its continuation. And its continuation word is important. Okay. Next is the axis of bubble tube. ये भी आपको मालूम है. It is a straight line tangential to the longitudinal core of the level tube at the center of the bubble. But axis of bubble tube मतलब होता है horizontal सर्कल जो होता है उसके ऊपर जो बबल ट्यूब होता है उसको बोलते हैं एक्सिस ऑफ बबल ट्यूब, बिकॉज इट हैज टू बबल्स ऑन हॉरिजेंटल सर्कल एंड वन वर्टिकल. तो वर्टिकल सर्कल के ऊपर जो बबल होता है उसको बोलते हैं अल्टीट्यूड लेवल और अल्टीट्यूड बबल भी बोलते हैं. ओके. देन एक्सिस ऑफ अल्टीट्यूड बबल, इट इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन tangential to the longitudinal core of the altitude bubble tube at the center of the bubble. Now relation. It is very important. In every exam, board exam, MSBT asks the question, write the axes of fundamental axes of the theodolite and give its relation. So we already discussed the axes: vertical axis, horizontal axis, axis of bubble tube, axis of altitude bubble, okay, axis of telescope, line of sight are the axes of the theodolite. Okay. Then relation. In last year also we studied the relation. जैसे कि the axis of bubble tube must be perpendicular to the vertical axis. ये जो बबल ट्यूब का एक्सिस दिख रहा है, ये एक्सिस है वर्टिकल एक्सिस को कैसा है, परपेंडिकुलर है. अगेन वर्टिकल एक्सिस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस, टू नियन एक्सिस. ओके. The axis of bubble tube must be perpendicular to the altitude bubble. The axis of bubble tube must be perpendicular to the axis of altitude bubble, क्योंकि altitude bubble है vertical axis में यहाँ पे होता है. Okay. Then next, vertical axis is perpendicular to the horizontal or Trunnion axis. Is a very simple relation. ये देखो, ये horizontal axis है, ये vertical है और दोनों में perpendicular है. And fourth relation, axis of telescope is perpendicular to the vertical axis again. एक्सिस ऑफ टेलीस्कोप, ये एक्सिस ऑफ टेलीस्कोप है, ये वर्टिकल एक्सिस को कैसे है, परपेंडिकुलर है, और हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस को भी परपेंडिकुलर है. The axis of telescope is perpendicular to the horizontal axis also, and axis of telescope is coincide to the line of sight or line of collimation. ये पिछले साल भी अपन ने पढ़ा था. Axis of telescope is coincide to the line of sight or line of collimation. Okay. Then the other relation. Then summary. In this topic we learn fundamental axes of transit theodolite and their relationship. Okay. So thank you very much.